Hello friends, today we are going to cover an important topic in Laravel 12, how to create CRUD functionality using a single command. First let's look at the command. PHP artisan make controller photo controller dash dash resource. For example, imagine we are building an application where we need to add images to the system, display a list of images, view a single image record, edit an image, and so on. Normally we would create routes then a controller and define functions for each operation manually, along with creating the required view files. However, by using this resource controller command, Laravel automatically generates all the necessary methods in the controller with predefined function names for each CRUD operation. This saves time and keeps the code organized. Here we can see the functions. Index function is used to show a list of all records. Example, show all photos. Create function is used to show a form to create a new record. Store function is used to save a new record to the database after form submission. Show with parameter id display a single record by its id. Edit with the parameter of id shows a form to edit an existing record. Update with the parameter of $request and $id updates an existing record in the database. Destroy $id is used to delete a record from the database. Do you think we need to create multiple routes for each function? No, we do not need to create multiple routes. We can define a single route and it will work for all functions. We create this single route resource, URL name, and controller name photo controller colon class. This route will create all routes for all the CRUD functions. We will add photo controller on the top of the web.php file. This route will be used for all functions of the CRUD which are exist in photo controller file. Now we will check that how many routes are showing by using this command php artisan route colon list. This command will show all the routes of this application. Here you can see photos controller, all related functions are showing here. If we send the request with the get method photos, then it will call photos.index. It means in the photo controller file it will call the function index. If we send the request with post method, then photos.store, it means store function will call. And if we call the route photos/create, then create function will call. If we call photos/id photo id, then show function will call. If we use photos/id with the method of put or patch, then update function will be called. If we use photos/id with the method of delete, then destroy method will call. It is the list of all routes which will be called by using this single route function.